Hello everyone, today we are making vegetable Suji Upma. Into the hot skillet goes 2 tablespoons of oil, half a tablespoon mustard seed, half a tablespoon cumin seeds. Let them splutter. Then goes tablespoon of chana dal, tablespoon of urad dal, 6 to 8 curry leaves, 2 split green chillies, a quarter cup diced onion and saute for about a minute. Now add a cup of mixed vegetables like beans, carrot, corn or green peas. Saute all together for about 3 minutes. Then goes a quarter cup grated raw coconut. Add half a tablespoon ginger chopped ones and quarter cup cashew nuts if you want. Then goes a cup of Suji rava. Give a nice stir for about 3 to 4 minutes. Dry roast along with vegetables. Pour in 3 cups of hot water slowly or intermittently by stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Add a tablespoon of salt, mix well and allow this to cook until the suji rava becomes soft and cooked through. This vegetable upma is a soft, moist and loaded with veggies, and this recipe is a healthy and is delicious too. This vegetable upma is the ultimate comfort dish from South India and enjoyed for breakfast or as a light meal, usually eaten with peanut puri or coconut chutney. This recipe is one of the simple and easy breakfast recipes made within minutes and can be served to all age groups. And you can extend this by adding your spice mixes and your choice of vegetables to make it more flavorful. The ingredients are basic and can be available at home. When you find that the suji rava becomes soft and mushy, then garnish with coriander leaves and serve into a plate. Here is the simple groundnut chutney as a side dish for this suji rava upma. Take into the hot skillet goes a cup of groundnuts. Dry roast them until they turn golden brown and set aside. Dry roast 2 green chillies and set them aside. For the tempering, into the skillet goes 2 tablespoons of oil, a tablespoon of mustard seed, cumin seed. Let them splatter. Then goes a tablespoon of urad dal, 2 red chillies, a few curry leaves, and set aside. Into the blender jar, add the roasted peanuts, green chilli, and 1 garlic, the salt for taste, a pinch of cumin seed, and blend them into a fine powder. Then go set an ml of water into it and again blend to a paste or a chutney. Now add that seasoning or a tempering into the chutney. That's it, our groundnut chutney is ready to serve along with the suji rava. If you want, you can replace suji rava with wheat rava and you can make this vegetable upma with wheat rava. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Please do consider like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. Namaste.